you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. I'm Teacher Mommy, and this is Bria, and we're going to learn how to count to 10 in Gaelic. So let's go over some words. Ready? Let's count first. One, ga, tri, ceithir, Còig, she-ack, Ochd, neu-eye, Deich. So we have a song to sing today, and we're going to sing it slow and then fast. Would you like to sing with us? Yeah? So it goes. Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich. You sing? Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich. I'm going to sing it fast now. This is for Bayview Pre-Primary and Miss Shannon and Miss Jessica. Are you ready? We're going to go a little bit faster. Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich. Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich.
Are you done with it?
What, should we sing it loud as we can? Let's sing it as loud as we can. Would you like to sing? Yeah, loud. Ready? Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich. Còig, she-ack, Ochd, Deich. Now let's whisper it. Should we whisper? She-ack, Ochd, Deich. Còig, she-ack, Yoo-hoo! Bravo! Good job. Well done. Would you like to put them on your fingers now? Can we say goodbye to Bayview Pre-Primary? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Can you say gleva?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you too. Yes, tap alive, everyone. Bye.